has quite possibly been the worst day ever. Everything that could go wrong has gone wrong. I will now proceed to run through the list of things that have gone wrong. No smiling. We were running really late. We had failed to prepare. Number 2, got really distracted this morning. Just me! Ah! Whoa, that is a huge freaking bug. Number 57, giant bugs. You get it? Number 5700. It is 1,000,000 degrees. And I wore jeans. I'll start growing things. We haven't broken anything yet, knock on wood. That's all for now. I'm not juicing anymore. We quit. Not doing it. That generator sounds like it's about to blow up. Like, I know, but I checked it. It's still like... Alright, I'm done juicing. It's just, some days are good, some days are bad, guys. Like, let's run through everything bad that's happened. Get away, squirrel. There's squirrels in the city? That's not a real thing. I forgot about the steps we skipped and then bit us in the butt. We had the steps we needed to do. Now we're... Let's go. I'm sweating now. Yeah, so we weren't prepared. We were running late and then forgot to plug our gray water tanks and then we spilled water everywhere. So frustrating, just on a frustrating end. And then I put cucumbers in here, but then Lauren thought she was supposed to remove the cucumbers. And then we were running late, so we didn't review our checklist. The bags that the juicer uses, we're almost out of them. And I was like, well, we're out of bags anyways. And on top of all of that, it's probably over 100 degrees in this truck. Yeah, that's the other thing. It's really, really hot. And I have jeans on. You have pants on. We're both wearing pants for some weird reason. It's probably 98 in here. Moral of the story, sometimes things go really well, sometimes things go really bad, but big picture, you know, maybe it's hard like for months and they're like, well, this is just going terribly. I quit. People quit too easily. Big picture, you guys gotta see the big picture. Don't give up. Stop quitting so easily. Don't be a quitter. Follow through. It's true. Motivate ourselves right now. It is, but it's so true. People give up so easily because it's just too hard. And even if one day sucks or a month sucks or a year sucks, it's not a reason to give up. You gotta look at the big picture. Are we happy now? Hashtag sometimes things suck. No, I'm embracing the suckiness. I tried to get you to embrace the suckiness earlier. I'm just like, it's a sucky day. That's okay. Doesn't mean I quit. It just means it's a sucky day. It was pretty ugly this morning. Like, I might mope a little bit, but it's okay. Drink a juice. Drink a juice. Drink a juice. Don't be a quitter. Even if you quit for the day, pick back up tomorrow. We did a good job today at adjusting, adapting. It was a bad day, that's okay. We'll make a video about how it was a bad day. My shirt is and it's still felt productive. You probably see the sweat on my face. Let's go home. Shot. Yeah, exactly.